If you don't know how to send crypto between your Tangem wallets, then you're missing out on one of the best security features this wallet offers, which is spreading your crypto across multiple wallets. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from one Tangem wallet to another Tangem wallet in the same app, step by step. And if you didn't even know that you could manage multiple Tangem wallets in a single Tangem app, this is something you should consider doing so that you're not holding all of your eggs in one basket. And if you don't know how to add a second wallet to your Tangem app, I'm going to show you that later as well. But first, let me show you how to transfer crypto between your own Tangem wallets. Okay, so I have two different Tangem wallets here. This is Tangem wallet number 1, this is Tangem wallet number 2, and what I want to do is send crypto from Tangem wallet number 1 to Tangem wallet number 2 in the same app. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and open up the Tangem app. And as you can see here at the top of the screen, this is wallet number 1. And then if I swipe to the left, I've got wallet number 2. And that's how you swipe between your different wallets. So to send crypto to wallet number 2, which is what I want to do, I want to send ETH to this wallet. So to do that, first I need to select ETH in the receiving wallet, which is wallet number 2. Then I'll tap the receive button and copy the receiving address. From there, just go back and then swipe back over to the first wallet, which is my send wallet. And then I need to tap ETH on this wallet. And since I'm sending from this wallet, I'll hit the send button. And I have about $15 worth of ETH in this wallet. So I'm just going to hit max so I can send all the ETH to my other wallet and then tap next. And then this is where you want to paste wallet number 2 or the receiving wallet address. So I'll tap and then hit paste and then just verify the address is correct. Everything looks good, go ahead and tap next. Now here's a breakdown of the entire transaction. You can see I'm sending about $15 worth of ETH and I am sending it to my wallet number 2, which ends in 5B11. And the network fee is only about 2 cents. So assuming everything looks good, go ahead and tap the send button. And since I'm sending from wallet number 1, that's the card that I need to scan because we're going to approve the transaction with this card. So just hold it up to the back of your phone. And that's it. The transaction is complete. So now it just takes a few seconds to complete on the blockchain. But now if we go back over to wallet number 2 in the app, and I have my privacy screen on, so let me just take it off. You can see I only have about 1 cent worth of ETH in the app. However, if I reload the screen, you can see the ETH has arrived and I have $14.77 worth of ETH, and it's really that easy to send crypto between your Tangem wallets. Now, if you're watching this and you haven't set up a second Tangem wallet in the same app to spread your crypto out, I want to show you how to do that next. Now, the main reason I do this and why a lot of other crypto holders do this is to manage risk. One of the best examples I can give if you don't spread your crypto out across multiple wallets comes from a retired man named Brandon LaRoque. He had about $3 million worth of retirement money, and he decided to put it all into a cryptocurrency called XRP. Now, he stored that crypto on one hardware wallet, and for about 6 to 7 years, it was safe. Until one day he made a silly mistake and he lost all $3 million, his entire retirement fund, because he had it in one wallet. Now imagine if he had taken that crypto and spread it at least into 2 different wallets. Yeah, he may have lost $1.5 million, but he'd still have $1.5 million left in his other wallet. And this is exactly why you never want to keep all your eggs in one basket and should consider splitting your crypto across multiple wallets, which Tangem makes that really easy to do. So now I'm going to show you how to set up and add another wallet to your Tangem app. And that's the cool thing about Tangem is you can set up and manage as many Tangem wallets as you want from your single app. And if you're thinking about getting another Tangem wallet so that you can diversify your crypto across multiple wallets, check out the link in the description and you'll get a massive discount on your order. All right, so I have 2 brand new Tangem cards right here that I want to add to my Tangem app. And as you already know, I have 2 wallets set up in the app right now. So all I want to do is add another set. And to do that is really simple. So first we go up here to settings, and then you just tap add wallet. And then we just start scanning our new cards. So pick up any card. I'll scan this one first. And then give it a second. And of course, if you wanted to add a seed phrase, you would go down to other options and you can generate a new seed phrase or import your wallet. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to do the quick option and do a C-list wallet. So just tap create wallet, and then I'll scan that same card again and give it a second. And there we go. And now we'll need to add a backup card or ring. Since this is a 2-pack of cards, I'm just going to pick up and scan the other card. So I'll tap add card or ring, and then scan this one. And there we go, I've added that. If this was a 3-pack, so if you had one more card, you would tap add card or ring again and then scan that card. But since I only have 2, I'm just going to finalize the backup. Go ahead and press continue after reading that warning. And now we need to create the access code. Of course, I'm going to create something extremely secure right here. I'll just say password. I think that's pretty good. And then just enter your access code a second time. And just note, this access code will be different from all the other cards that you own. This is specifically for these cards that you're setting up. So now we need to scan the primary card, which is the first card we scanned during setup. And we'll have to wait about 15 seconds for this process to complete. All right, once that's done, you're going to pick up your other card, the backup card, tap scan card, and then hold this to the back of your phone for another 15 seconds until it's complete. Make sure you don't pull the card away from your phone until it says that it's done. Okay, now we're ready to go. And right here, you can just add any cryptocurrencies that you would like to manage in this specific wallet. So for example, if I wanted XRP, I could just enable the XRP ledger, and then I'll just hit continue. And there we go, the wallet was set up successfully, and then just tap continue to my wallet. And you can see that Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP are now in this wallet. And I now have 3 different wallets, 1, 2, and 3 separate wallets. And now I can send crypto between all my wallets super easy in the same Tangem app. But if you're wondering how much crypto you should own before you consider diversifying your crypto into multiple cold wallets, and the best method to do that so your crypto is secure, but so things don't get so complicated that it's confusing, make sure to check out my crypto diversification guide in this next video. I'll see you over there. God bless.